Happy morning, children. So last week we started the first unit revision section and we completed the warm-up section and 1.1 and 1.2 exercises. Today we are going to continue the first unit and for the today's topic is number system. We read about Indian system. Today we are going to learn about international system and the relation between the Indian and the international system also we are going to learn today. Round of numbers. Round of numbers also we learned in the 4th standard, round of nearest to tens and hundreds. Now we are going to learn about large numbers and the Roman numbers. Roman numbers also we know few things, and today we are going to learn the bigger numbers of Roman numbers. So children, when we are going to compare the Indian system and the international system, we should know the place values. First, recall the Indian system of a place value numbers and the international system first. Let me say that place value. One's place value, thousands, lakh and the crore. We used to say in a Indian system. Indian system, one's place value, one's tens and the hundred will come in the ones place value. 1000 and 10,000 in the thousands place value. Lakh and 10 lakh will come in the lakhs place value. Crore and 10 crore will come in the crore place value. Coming to the international system, we have a 3 place values when we want to compare with this Indian system. See here children, ones place value, nothing change will be here. Ones, tens, hundred. Here also ones, tens, hundred, nothing change. Coming to the thousands place, we have a 3 place values here. We have a 1000, 10,000 in the Indian system, but the international system 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is, keep it in your mind children. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, that is equal to 1 lakh. 100,000 equal to 1 lakh. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. So, this lakh is equal to our 100,000. Then 10 lakhs equal to our million. Crore, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Can you understand children? Because when we want to compare the place value of both the numbers, we have one's place value as it is, nothing change here. Ones, tens, 100. Nothing change. Coming to the thousands place, we have a, here we have a 2 place values, here we have a 3 place values. So here 1000, 10,000, 10,000, 100,000 equal to our 1 lakh. Next, 10 lakh is equal to million, crore is equal to 10 million, 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Let me say the exercise of 1.3 and the 1.4. You will understand clearly about this Indian and the international system.
Exercise 1.3 in page number 13. See children, we are going to write the numbers for the number name for first. Write the numbers in the international place value system. Mark the period with the comma. First we have to read the question, write the number. After that you have to put the comma according to their place value. First question is 7,246,137. 7,246,137. See children, 7 after 1 comma 246 comma 137. How to read this number? 7,246,137. Second question is 586,515. So 586 comma 515. 586,515. Third question 12,71,400. So 12 million comma 12 comma 71,000. No, 100,000 is here. So you have to put a 0, 071, comma 400. So similarly you can write the remaining sums also, children. Second one is mark the period with a comma, international place value system, and write the number name. This you have to copy in the CW. A Roman letter, let it be in the book itself. B alone you can write in the CW. C you can write in the book itself. They given one number. We are going to write the place value, hundreds place value. Which number will be there? We have to find it out and write the answer. Here hundreds place 4 is there. 10,000s place 8, 100,000s place 7, 10 million place 1. Exercise 1.4 in page number 14. We have 4 Roman letters are there. You have to copy the first Roman letter alone in the CW. Remaining you can write it in the book itself. The first Roman letter, mark the period with a comma according to both the Indian and international place value system. Write the numbers in word in each the system. So you have to take the first sum, write the Indian system as well as international system with the number name. Let me explain one sum for example. I took fifth sum in 1.4. We have to write a Indian system as well as international system. Write the number first and write the place value. Put the comma according to their place value. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crore, 10 crore. So the answer is 98 crore, 15 lakh, 52,101. So number name also we have to write 98 crore, 15 lakh, 52,101. So international system, write the same number and put the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the number will be 981,552,101. The number name also we have to write according to this. 981,552,101. Similarly, you have to write the remaining 4 sums.
Next topic is round off numbers. So round off numbers nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000 we are going to learn here. We know already nearest to 10 and 100 we learnt in the 4th standard itself. I think you people can remember this. We'll give a revision for this and we'll go to the thousands round off. So first thing, let me take on a number for an example. 2753. So I took this number. I'm going to do this number nearest to 10, nearest to 100 as well as nearest to 1000. So children, first I wanted to change the place value of a 10. So underline the place value of a 10 and circle the place value of a ones. Why means we are going to see this number, then we going to change this number. So ones place number we have a 3. So I said first draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay children, see the number if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 numbers are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 numbers if it is there, we have to come back to the same position. So same position is nothing but a 50 is there. As it is, you have to write 275. This will be always a 0. So 50. Can you understand children? If this number is greater than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to go to the next place value. If it is 8 means this is greater than 5. It will come in the second column. This will in the first column. This is in the second column. So we have to go to the next place value. 5 plus 1. What will be the answer? 60. So 58 is round off nearest to 60. 53. 53 is round off nearest to 50. Can you remember, children? So next 1000. So I am going to change the place value of 100 by seeing the place value of tens. The tens place value here it is 5. 5 means where we have to go. The next place value. Add 1 with this. 7 plus 1, 8. 700 become 800 now. So 2800. Now round off nearest to 1000. Look at, children, we are going to change the place value of 1000. So underline the 1000 place value and circle the hundreds place value. See the 100 place value number. If it is in the first thing, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to come back to the same position. If it is 7 in the second column, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to go to the next place value, that is it. 7 means 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 0, 0, 0. We round off this 2753 nearest to 3000. Let me say once again, the ones place value we want to see for the tens place value changes. So if you want to change the tens place value, see the ones place value. If you want to change the hundreds, we need to see the tens. If you want to change the 1000, we need to see the hundreds place value. That is the first condition. Second one is, after making the round of numbers, we have to write the ones place value 0 for the tens. Hundreds place value means ones and the tens number should be 0, and the thousands place value means ones, tens, 100 should be 0. Exercise 1.5, page number 16. So always you have to write the exercise as well as the page number in your CW also. So coming to the first one is round off nearest to 10. So nearest to 10, we have to in mind two things. That is, first thing, which one we are going to round it off? The tens place value. Underline the tens place value. See the ones place value. The ones place value number, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 numbers we have to keep remain the same one. We should not change the tens place value. Thus number become 5, 3, 1, 0. That is the second thing we have it in your mind. First thing is change the place value. Second thing is put the 0 in the ones place value. Coming to the second question, underline the tens place value. See the ones place number. Ones place number is 7. So it is in the second column. So we have to add 1 with this. It has become 8770. 8770. 8767 is round off nearest to 8770. Next one is 1235. So underline the tens place value. See the ones place value. It is 5. So it is equal to 5 or more than 5. We need to add 1 with the tens place value. So it has become 1240. Good. So 1235 is round off nearest to 1240 for the tens. We completed the first one. So second one is round off nearest to 100. So 100 place value. So underline the 100th place value and see the tens place value. Tens place value here 5. The same condition for the tens, 100, 1000. But only one thing, you have to see the place value alone. Here hundreds place value. See the tens place value. Tens is 5 here. So we need to add 1 with this. So 8200. 8150 is round off to 8200. Next 23,790 793. So underline the hundreds place, see the tens place. We have to add 1 with this since it is a 9. So 23,800. So it is round off nearest to 100 means. Next, third question. 4,119. Which place value we want to change? The 100. So underline the 100. See the tens place value. It is 1. So no need to change the hundreds place value. So the answer will be 4,100,000. Can you understand, children? Coming to the round of nearest to 1000. See the question, 28,564. So which place value we are going to change? Underline this 1000. See the hundreds place value. Here 100 place value is 5. So we need to add 1 with this. So 28,000 has become now 29,000. Coming to the second question. 7,38,197. Underline the thousands place value. See the hundreds place value. Here 1. So no need to change anything. So the answer becomes 7,38,000. Can you understand, children? Remaining sums are there. You can do it by yourself. Exercise 1.6, page number 18. This also you have to mention in your CWDR. First Roman letters converted to Roman numbers. When we want to change the Roman number from the Indian system, we have to keep it in our mind. Few rules and also rules and all we learnt already. When we are writing the number, we have to keep it in our mind. Let me say the first thing is 64. So 60. First you have to split the 60 plus 4. How to write the 60? 50, 60. L for 50, X for 10, 60. Then 4 you know very well, IV. It is easy to write. When we are splitting the number, you can easily get. Here 197. So 100 plus 90 plus 7. So 100 how to write, ma? C. 90, 100 minus 10. So before X, if you are writing X before, it will subtraction of 100 minus 10. This is 90. Then 7, VII, 7. 197. 197. Can you understand, children? CXCVII, 197. Next 115. We can write 100 plus 10 plus 5. 115. So you can get the answer of 100. We know C, 10 and 5. This is very easy to write the number if you are splitting the number. Next 272. 200. 100 plus 100 plus 70 plus 2. 200. 100 C. 70 is 50, 60, 72. Coming to the 178. 178. So 100 we know. 70 is 50, 60, 78. VIII, 8. Next to 355. 300 plus 50 plus 5. 300, 100, 100, 300. Next to 50 is L. Next to 5 is V. Understand, children? Next to 233. 233. 200 CC. 30 XXX. 3 III. We can use X, C and I letters 3 times. So more than that we should not use. We can use for the rules. Coming to the last question is 400 plus 30 plus 9. 400. So we know 500. We should not use the Roman numbers. Only 3 times. Coming to the point of a 400, we should not put a C. C should not come 4 times. That is a rules. So instead of this, we can put 500. What is a 500 word, dear? 500 is D. Very good. D before C. That is 500 minus 100. So this is CD represent 400. 30 we know, 10, 10, 10. 9 we know, I, X. Can you understand, children? Remaining sums you can complete in the book. Roman letter convert to Hindu Arabic. They given a Roman number. We are going to convert into Hindu Arabic number. So first thing is, see here, X, X, I, V. X for a 10. So 10 plus 4. Totally 24. This is the easy way when we are splitting the number and we'll get the answer means. Coming to the next one is L for 50. Then X, 30 plus 4. So 50 plus 30, 84. Coming to this C for 100. So we are having 200 plus LX. L for 50 plus X, 60 plus 7. So totally we have a 267. Next C for 100 and D for 500. If 500 is coming before the 100, the number, if C is coming before D, it is mentioned that it was a subtraction. So 500 minus 100. So it will be 500 minus 100. So 400 plus 1. The answer is 401. So remaining sums you can complete in the book and the CW children. So today's section we started with the 1.3 exercise. So we completed 1.4, 1.5 as well as the 1.6 exercise. So today's topic we read about round of numbers, Roman numbers, Indian and international system. So we completed the first unit revision now. So I hope that you people understand about this topic and all. So children, you can complete the CW also in a book pages also. I will give the material in a video section. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.